I'm Dr. Seth Meyers, clinical psychologist, and of the different videos that I've done for you on narcissism and trying to understand the narcissist, what makes them tick, how to make a relationship with them work, or at least be able to survive it with sanity, one of the main things that I want you to take away is that the why of it all, understanding why the narcissist is the way they are, is only successful to the point. I'm Dr. Seth Meyers, clinical psychologist, and I want to share that of the different videos that I've done for you on narcissism and trying to help you understand what makes the narcissist tick, how to make relationships with a narcissist more functional or bearable or survivable, I want you to understand the most important point, which is that understanding the why the narcissist is the way they are, is not something to focus too much time and energy on. One of the number one things that people do who are in a close relationship, either at work or at home with a narcissist, is they become sort of detectives. They become almost like mental health detectives, trying to figure out what in the life history of that person made them the way they are. The winning formula is for you to figure out what is going on today, how to improve things today, what you can change today, and what you cannot change today. Going back and trying to understand the narcissist, becoming almost like a mental health specialist yourself in all kinds of research and understanding better why. A lot of times you won't get the information that you need. A lot of times you'll never get the perfect answer why. You'll never fully, truly get the closure that you want on why the narcissist is the way they are. And in fact, this is actually a type of codependent search a person engages in a relationship with a narcissist, which makes them over focus, over attach on the narcissist. In fact, what you probably need to do if you're in a relationship with a narcissist is focus more on yourself, on what you think, on what you believe, on how you feel, on what you need. I hope this video, this reminder not to focus too much on the why of it all has been helpful. And if it has, please like this video. And I wish you the best.